Hi my friends, welcome again to NAVIFORCE unboxing videos again. Yes, here's the retard. I will show you what the model today. It's NF9150. Yes. Okay, let's open it. This is the parcels when we receive it from the online store. Yes, like Amazon, eBay, or such as Alipay. So, open it. Yeah, here comes the black case. Yes, a black box. Yes, put it out. We can see the outside and inside box. It also have the logo on it, NAVIFORCE. Yes, here. And here is the inner box. We get it. It's good hand feeling. Let's open it. Yes, here is the guarantee card. It's a 1 year guarantee card warranty. Yes, 1 year. If we have any questions when you receive the new watch, you found something different or some questions, you can contact the after sales. They and use this guarantee card for us any questions you want. And the next is the instruction manual. Yeah, the instruction manual. And the next one is cleaning clothes. And the next one is the silicone desiccant for driving the object. Yes, here. Now the last one is our main object. The very nice watches. And here we can find the the model of this watch is inside here. Inside here we can see the how I can show here. In the back case inside we can see the model number here. Yes, here NF9150. Yes, it's the model. And also we can find the NAVIFORCE logo in the back case. Now I'll show you the a good looking about this watch. This watch still use the classical design of stainless steel watch band. It feels very good quality here. Yeah. And use the construct color for the case, gold color and the black color. And well, here is the glasses. It's like a 3D feeling. Yes, here. Yeah, here is the barcode. And put here to open the barcode. Yes, it's a double fold buckle, very easy to wearing your watches. Yes, and close. I tried it. Wow, the new watches always have a long watch band for me because I'm a girl and this is for the main. Is a main watch, but I really like the main watches because I think they are so cool and wow, the design is so brilliant. Yeah. And you see this windows like a wheel. It's like magazine and whatever. And let's see the inside functions. We can see 3 windows inside. The 12 o'clock position window, it is for the week, and the 6 o'clock position for the date, for month, for the date. And here on 9 o'clock position, we can see it is a 24-hour display. And then to adjust the week, we can put this button. Sorry. When we receive a new watch, we can see it have a small silicone pin here to stop to waste the battery. So when we receive the new watch, we have to put out this pin here and make it work. Then the watches keep working here. Yes, because it's now I just remember to turn it on, so the watch it is working now. Yeah. And now let's adjust the wick. Put this button. Can you see clear? Yeah, this window. When you put this button up, put it, and the wick, it's move. Yes. And this button is for the down window for the month, for the date. Yeah. This is the 31 day you can choose and for adjusting. You see? Yes, I put the button here and it works. Is it clear? Okay, and this is the main button for adjust time. Adjust the main time, this button. And sorry, I remember I just forget this watch band adjustment because just here if it's too long for you, you can use this band adjustment to cut the link. And later, if you want to cut the more length for your wrist, you can find my video. We have a video to adjust you how to adjust the band length. So please remember to follow my video to find more video to teach you how to adjust different function or adjust the length of the band. Or sometimes we will have more video about the new arrival unboxing. Okay, this is for today. Oh, this one I remember I forgot to show it. Yes, it's a very soft cloth. And for clean your watch or clean your mobile phone, or clean your mobile phone, and very soft and will not to damage your watches. Or also you can clean your glasses. Yes, clean your glasses. It's really useful, this object, this cloth. Okay, this is for all today. If you have any other models want to see from NAVIFORCE, just feel free to let me know. I will show you at next video. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.